In this video, I will show you how to create your account in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to set up and manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.benexperience.com, link in the description. To create an account on HostGator, just go to hosting, then shared hosting. Personally, here I will go with the baby plan. It gives me 2 websites and 20 gigabytes of SSD storage. Click on buy now under your preferred plan. If you already own a domain, click on I already own this domain and enter it. If you will register a new one, you can select it. For the billing cycle, I will go with the 12 months billing cycle. Now give them your email address and make sure to use a strong password to protect your HostGator account. There are 2 ways to pay your HostGator new account. You can pay using PayPal or a credit card. But before that, fill in this form, then fill in your credit card information. For these additional services, I will uncheck them all because I don't need them. Before checking out, make sure to review your order details and then click on checkout now. And like that, my new HostGator account is created successfully. To go to my account, just click on this blue button, my account. And I am now inside my new HostGator account. HostGator now is trying to help me build my WordPress site. You can follow these instructions or exit to WordPress. That was all for this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a like and make sure to subscribe.